Welcome back, Heathens. So today we're back on the old 85. Sorry, hair's a little messed up. But anyways, so as you can see, we're back on her. So what we got going on, of course, the battery being charged. So this thing's been sitting for a little while. Didn't want to hold the charge, so we did a little trick I saw, and we're gonna test it out. So basically, what you do is you take your battery, drop it a couple times, or like that. Any of the plates that have been sulfated with all that sediment at the bottom, basically collects on the plates and it stops charging. Basically neutralizes them, and so that way it doesn't create the circuit between these cells. So you drop it a couple times, it's supposed to knock that stuff loose. We'll see. I shook it around before, didn't really hear much except for a little bit of water. Dropped it a couple times, and now you can tell. So it's either gonna be one of two things. It's either gonna be busted, not work at all, or the whole truck's gonna work and it's going to start charging. But for right now, get on there, we'll see how it goes. What's worse can happen? Charge it for a little bit and it don't work? Oh well. So back to it. This is what we got going on today. As you can see, starting to clean up the this turbo 350 right here, so that way we can bolt our transfer case and the rest of our kit to it. That way we can go ahead and get that torque flight out of this thing, get it ready to go, and go ahead and go underneath, put that transmission in. Dying to get this thing back on the road. Basically, she's been off for about 3 years in this spot. Well, it was in the spot it's in now for about 1.5 years before we got the trailer and RV and everything. It used to sit in the back there, broken. But no, get her back on the road. So that way the missus got something to play with too, so we can take two of them out at the same time. The other one, like I said, it's a little hard for her to get in and out of, and with the bigger tires, it's hard for her to drive. But without further ado, I'll get you guys set up and getting that thing cleaned up and taken apart. That way we can go ahead and get that 242 bolted up and see that kit works. We'll be back. Hey guys, I look like I'm having a bad hair day today. Happens when you got hair like a chica, all super long. But anyways, back to the four-wheel drive at the hand. So you can see, not perfect, but at least you got off most of the crud. I know how long that thing been under that truck. But then it was also sitting. So got it from a guy. Nobody wanted to go up there and get it, and it was just too good of a deal. So I got a little off-roading with the Black Sheep and go pick it up. Not bad. I only got it for 150 bucks. Rebuilt transmission out of a I think it was a 78 like the 3/4 ton. And of course, typical square body Chevy that everybody likes. So that's close enough. Parallel right back to that 350 in the back. Everything's perfect. So anyway, they'll bolt together. But anyways, got that, and then we're gonna save that 203 right there. See if I can get my hands on a 205. We can make a doubler, but if not, I'm just gonna use the 203 in a future project that you guys are gonna love. So I get the beautiful disaster done first, back here behind me. Once that thing's done, then you guys are gonna see the new project that we're gonna start working on. Oh wait, forgot, we got the sand rail. So once we get the sand rail done, then we're gonna start on a new project over here. But first, we're gonna make sure that the beautiful disaster gets done, as you know, tell my lady I get it done for the last couple of years, so might as well get it done. Anyways, as you can see, I get down here. We can't get these bolts and everything off. Let's get back to it. As you guys can see, she's apart. What I got to do now is take out those 4 bolts in there, get that adapter off of there. Now it should be good to start putting on the other one. And the 203 is going to do just fine for the new project that we're going to get. Yeah, so fingers crossed though, we can get a 205 so we can make a doubler. That would be killer. But anyways, I'll go back to taking off the rest of this so you guys can see.
Let's go. I was born to kill it, I was meant to win. I am down and willing, so I will find a way. It took a minute, now it didn't happen right away. When it get hot in the kitchen, you decide to stay. That's how it winners made. Stick a fork in the hater on my dinner plate. I walk into the fire like it's just a bit of flame. I switch my style up, watch the money pile up. I'ma get rich or die trying, want me switch lanes. I'm always getting better, I'ma be on 5th place. On this one, then 4th on the next. 3rd, 2nd, 1st, you the poor with the best. She showing love, give me all the raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. I do it for the love, they perform for the checks, and I still get more. They be bored by the rest. I done put the work in, wasn't born in success. See the storm, it affects the performance. But I dance in the rain and the thunder, the drums. So I keep going hard, I won't stop till I'm done. From the bottom to the top, I'm the one. I can drop in a month, I'll be back at the top. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. Yeah, we blow the house down. Yeah, we blow the house down. Big moves will shake the ground. All the greats who came before us, we about to make them proud. We've got to make this count. Take the ball and raise it now. Make noise and crazy loud. It's all moment, let me hear you shout. Don't give up, we can turn it round. We got the fire, we burn it down. Then we'll pop champagne at the back of the club. Then we're back with a sweat, tears, back with a blood. How to get it out of mud, kinda like Predator. Get to the chopper, pockets getting fatter, so she call me Big Mama. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Huff and puff and blow the house down. Raw energy.
As you guys see, got them apart, the mount / adapters on with the new seal, so that's good. And then there's also a brand new seal on the transfer case, so, and a gasket, so everything will be fine. It'll be great. It's coming along. I'll be back once we get this thing put away and drag out that other transfer case, and we'll start bolting them together.
Knock me out, but I'm still holding the throne. You never know till it's over. So pray honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man.
Hey guys, as you guys can see, we got her together. So I would say solving that problem, probably not the cheapest route. You know, if you got a lathe or a mill or something, you could probably, you know, build all the stuff yourself for a fraction of the cost. But I mean, for simplicity, ease of putting it together, I think the hardest part was actually disassembling that transfer case. But as you can see, everything there is lined up and ready to go. Still a little bit of cleaning and stuff. I was gonna paint the transmission black, but I think I'm gonna just leave it. It's gonna be dirty anyways. And before y'all say something, I know paint's not perfect on the transfer case, but it's not a show car. I just wanted some pink for the old lady, so in case she decides to want to, you know, crawl up on an angle and you got that Jeep sitting like that, you can see the belly that it's hot pink. Everybody gonna know it's a female driving. So that's all I wanted, you know, just change it from green to pink. So, and speaking of that, I think it's probably time that we get rid of the last of the gypsy stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, rip these things off, get them all cleaned down and painted and stuck back on hot pink. That's about good. You know, get her fired up here soon. Fingers crossed. It's been sitting for a minute, but oh well. Like I said, go ahead and get those things off and get them painted. Alrighty guys, this is probably gonna wrap up the video. So, well, as you can see, we're done. I got that transfer case mounted up, get everything ready to go, and I told you she was gonna change. It looks better, like girls' Jeep now. Everything will match. That's good. I think the wife will like it, but not too bad. Alright guys, it's gonna be it for now. So basically where we're at next time, if you guys want to continue along with us and watch this thing come to life, then I would suggest that you guys like and, you know, click a little subscribe button down at the bottom there. So that way you guys don't miss an episode, especially this, because like I said, a lot of people want to do it. A lot of people don't know how. And there are people that do it, but everybody goes LS. What the heck is the fun in that? I don't follow everybody else. So, anyways, you guys will be back. We'll see you next week. All right. Till then, later, heathens.